In this quick video, I'll show you how to connect MetaMask to Pulsechain step by step. So the first step is to go to chainlist.org, then connect your wallet. Then once you have connected your wallet, you can just type down here on the search bar, Pulsechain. Then click Add to MetaMask. So if you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can just create a MetaMask wallet. All you're gonna need to do is just type down your password and then save your seed phrase. Then click here Approve, click Switch Network, and then you have now a Pulsechain added to your MetaMask wallet. You can see it here. Just go to your MetaMask wallet and you can see it here. So you can now transfer your Pulsechain token from any exchange or wallet into your MetaMask wallet. And if you have any questions about how to connect MetaMask to Pulsechain, leave a comment below.